Yeah, I finally reached 20K subscribers. I know y'all waiting to see what I'm gonna give away. I finally figured out. But really, I ain't figured out. I ain't figured out what I'm gonna give away yet. That's really what been taking me so long. But I'm up here at Summit right now. So I'm finna go in here and see what I can give away. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna give away. I don't know what I'm gonna give away, but I'm finna figure something out right now. It's raining out here today. I ain't gonna let that stop me though.
Laughing to the bank, I'm like ha ha. I be with your lady just like Gaga. She call me her baby cuckoo Gaga. Ha ha. Diamonds on my chest, they look like agua. Police try to question me, no habla. Boy, you only thanks to using Wi-Fi. Okay, well, hanging in it, telling people you gangster, boy, you be capping just like this. If you short on my paper, then we kidnapping all your kids. Pull up to the venue like, give me my back end, you little bitch. All that I'm spitting is fast. She throwing all of it back.
Let's see.
You got a wall full of bitches. I got a wall full of plaques. Hope you're not talking about hell. Shit, I done been there and back. If they find out what I'm doing, then they gon' give me the max. Like pain, yeah. Nice rain, yeah. Nice chain.
Gotta be some kind of universal though that everybody can use. Can't just get no specific part probably.
Ha ha. Laughing to the bank, I'm like ha ha. I be with your lady just like Gaga. She call me her baby cuckoo Gaga. Ha ha. Diamonds on my chest, they look like agua. Police try to question me, no habla. Boy, you only best using Wi-Fi.
Oh no.
I keep holding
a lot of shit, man.
Ooh, they're watching fool. But they look like Drew. Wetter than a pool. They strong like a mule. AR, that's the two.
Really?
No cigarettes, I'm cool. Google Gaga, I got Gucci, I Prada, I got Cody in my baba. Went your bitches, she want caca, no fubu. Oh no, Dada, bitch, I'm dope. I'm in Plaga, come out here. That's Kumbaya. I put 30s on the pile, bitch, I'm ballin' just like Lala. Boy, you funny. Boy, you lying, no, you ain't got no money. White bitch with tattoos, I think that is money. Cuban diamond chain, I think I got that for Johnny.
Ha ha. Laughing to the bank, I'm like ha ha. I be with your lady just like Gaga. She call me her baby cuckoo Gaga. Ha ha.
I think I know what I'm doing.
Diamonds on my chest, they look like agua. Police try to question me, no habla. Boy, you only gangster using Wi-Fi. Ha ha. Laughing to the bank, I'm like ha ha. Diamonds on my chest, they look like agua. Police try to question me, no habla.
Y'all do gift cards up here?
Cashier.
Cashier?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I do. That's something to do. I'm just do a gift card and leave y'all names and email addresses. Cause on Sunday I'ma do a live video and just pick somebody randomly out of the comments. So leave a name and your email address so I can get in touch with you. Cause I'm randomly pick it, and when I pick it, I'ma just do a live video and pick it, and then shit, you got 24 hours to claim it. If you don't claim it in 24 hours, I'm gonna pick somebody else, and so on and so on. So, cause I don't want to keep it going too long. So, and at 40K subscribers, I'm gonna do a raffle for a swap. For LS swap. I'm gonna do a raffle for LS swap at 40K subscribers. So y'all be looking forward to that too. So get everybody to subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe. Stop watching everything I do and not subscribing. like I said, I'm finna get a gift card, and y'all leave y'all name and email address, and I'm gonna pick a random person out of the comments to, win the gift card. Alright, y'all got into Sunday. So hurry up. Sunday at, I'll say, 5 o'clock, I'm gonna choose. 6 o'clock, I'll choose. Give y'all time to get off work and stuff.